Here we have an abandoned Trane Weathertron heat pump. It is from 1992. The model number is WCC 048F10BA, and serial number is 650152659. House that is on is abandoned, or at least it was for rent, and nobody's rented it out again after the last people moved out. But it is a heat pump. It hasn't run in a while, and according to my friend, it used to run almost continuously. And no, this is about it. It's just a Trane Weathertron heat pump from 1992, and an abandoned house. Over and